Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we will walk you through on how to fix or solve IP ban on Instagram app. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. To solve Instagram IP ban issue on your device, open the device settings. Scroll down to apps and tap on it. Click on Instagram or search for it from the list of apps on your device. Tap on storage settings. Clear cache and data for Instagram. Click the back button, then tap on permissions. Make sure permission for location is turned off for Instagram. Open the Play Store and update the Instagram app, then try logging in or creating a new account. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. That is it for today, and thank you for watching. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.